If we did your website and we added seller video tips, these videos are no longer available on Remax.com or Remax YouTube channel. Over the weekend, they went away. So if you notice on the buyer, this is on the old editor. The videos are no longer available. This one's the seller, and we had seller video tips. So if we added these, we need to remove those from the website. So here's how we're going to do that. I'm in that scope. I'm going to come over to Web and IDX. I'm on this. We're going to go to Pages, and we're going to go over to the Buy and Sell. Let me make sure I'm on the right one. We're going to go over to Seller Video Tips. Untoggle. The video tips are all videos that no longer exist. When I come over to Buyers, and I click to edit this page. Nope, I am on. Okay, so I find buyer. If it's on the old editor, it'll have the resource. So I can come over here, click on edit, and I see the video. I can just click next, just outside of that, hit backspace, and just remove that. And then I can go ahead and save that. Once I'm done, now that video will be gone since it doesn't exist. You can always add in your own if you have one. We need to do that let me go back because I need to find the seller page, the old one, buy, sell. Nope. I need to find the seller page under resources. I also have new ones. So here is the seller page. Click on edit. For the seller video tips, just unpublish that one completely and you're good to go. So just remember, get done, hit save. That's how we remove those videos on the old editor. Let me show you the new editor. On the new editor, instead of going to all pages, I just want to hit the buy and sell. These are going to be the new, you'll see there's no resource next to there. So if I come over here to, seller video tips, you can toggle off and it won't be there anymore. I can click on edit. And I believe I have our own videos on here, but we also have all these videos that no longer exist. They have been removed or they're showing as private, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete those blocks so they'll no longer be there. And then I'm going to hit save, or I'm going to go ahead and hit publish since I have videos on there. That's how we get rid of anything that is no longer working. We need to check on those. And of course, you can always reach out to me for some assistance on that, but just want to let you know how to be able to remove those videos that are no longer there. Thanks.